Kanong rwai bapau nam hajala Meghalaya ka Kong Gracyl Robby hak arf khandai tarik ya yong arjar pulai kala pelat paidbah ka jingrwai bal ai kerteng I Can Fly bal rwai da ke Esha das kabade na Guwahati ha Shillong Press Club ya kaniga video jong kaniga jingrwai la ring dor hajala Meghalaya bayaki kitien jingrwai la tho hi da ka Esha das.
Music is the bread of the soul, and it is the elixir of life, and no event is complete without music. Be it in church, ceremonies, gatherings, cultural events, concerts, or even funerals. Music can really help us focus, to be inspired, and it even has the power to heal your soul. It is an art that we can express our deepest thoughts and emotions. Be it when you're high or low, you can just turn into music that suits the mood at that particular time, and you can feel the essence of music. So a big congratulations on your new music. On your new music video, I Can Fly. And I believe that you're going to fly higher to reach the stars. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors, and we welcome you to our music community, and may you get the recognition and the respect that you deserve. So keep shining, and God bless you.
I Can Fly is actually written and composed and sung by me. And this song is about overcoming your obstacles, not caring about what other people say about what you do, and being focused on your life no matter what, and achieving your goals no matter what other people say or any obstacle which is there to stop you or do anything. You need to overcome them and achieve your goals. And this song is, I wrote this song when I was actually feeling down one day, and I thought that this is not what I want to be. And that's why I made myself feel better by telling myself over and over that I can fly, and this is how the song was born. And now it is going to release in my YouTube channel, Esha Music. I hope you all like it and support me.
So this song is released.
Feel it.